this is Jennifer from DP Addiction Adventures, and it is Saturday morning here. I don't know what it is for you when you're watching this, when you're kicking back, when you're learning about diamond painting, or exploring what accessories do I need. But I just thought I'm going to stop diamond painting for a minute, and I got these in the mail the past 3 days, and I wanted to open them for you. So this is like an accessory back-to-back video presentation. The reason it's going to be in 3 different videos is I want to get these small businesses, you know, what they deserve, their own link, their own video. And so I'm going to start with one, and then there's going to be back-to-back videos. So I apologize ahead of time, but if it's not Saturday for you and it's in the future, it's not going to bother you. So I hope you sit back and enjoy these quick little tidbits of what's inside these 3 packages. So we are going to go with this one first. This is from, I gotta double check, ShineShopDesigns. Now, they go live she goes live every Saturday night as much as humanly possible. The problem is every time I watch her, and a lot of times I don't get to because we have church on Saturday night and my daughter's in soccer, but she shows many times her shop, her Etsy shop, what is new in it, and I always have to buy. And I think you guys, ooh, look, Starburst, yum, yum, yum. I always have to, like, hide my wallet. And so I thought, look, she bubble wraps it, and it's in a bubble envelope. And so sometimes I'm like, I shouldn't be watching this, but she's just so, gosh darn, fun and cool. And she's a mom, and she's, you know, going through a lot right now, and she has amazing taste. And so when she shows what she gets, I always have to buy. Okay, so the first one is this. Now, you guys all know my favorite color is green. Now, I absolutely love this. It came in 4 different colors. You'll see in a minute, I purchased 2 of the colors. I may have to go back and purchase the other 2. I was trying to be good because this is a little bit more expensive. Now, what I mean by expensive is cover minders you usually purchase based on the materials they've used. So like this one, you know, might run $2, $3, $4 with the magnets. This one, let me check. I think it was $9 because it is metal. It's got the fancy jewel look to it. $9.50. But when you're working on a large canvas and it's butterflies or it's green, it's just fun to have an accessory. Look at that. Here, let's see if my camera will focus. Look at how beautiful those little shimmers are. It's like this was actually diamond painted itself, and it's metal. She uses the high quality magnets. Absolutely love it. And because green's my favorite color, I had to get it. Now, my second favorite color is that, like you guys know, is like that aqua color. So I had to get this. And I believe it comes in purple and pink as well. I'm going to go to her site. It's sold out pretty fast. But I'm going to see if she's got the purple and pink, because now that I see these in person, it's gorgeous. And I was thinking of, there's somebody who's doing a butterfly collab right now. And these would be amazing to do with your butterfly. All right, and then this one, don't be a hater. I love turtles. I've loved turtles from day one. This was Mama and Baby Turtle, and I had to get it. It's metal. It's a hot spot as far as everybody wants it. She's working on getting more, so please contact her. I'll put her link down below. She has an Etsy shop. She has so many others. Like I got, this is not what I purchased, but I got this little paw from her. Let me grab some more I got from her. And it's such a big variety that there's something for everybody. I prefer these metal ones. So I got like this one. Isn't this adorable? I think she still has this one. I got that one. And then these decided to date. But I got these little cool, come on camera. It's so, okay, there we go. Little mermaid hearts. And then another mermaid heart that's pink and green. And I have a whole bunch more. They're all in use right now. But check out Shine Shop. Her channel is Shine Like a Diamond. And she's on Saturday nights. And she also does unboxings and different things like that. But her shop is ShineShopDesigns. So she's got a lot out there. Something for everybody. I hope you enjoyed this. And I'm going to be working on picking out my next diamond painting because I'm almost done with this one. And I need to pick one that these will go great with. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.